Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to set a design standards. Okay, while doing any geometric design, okay, you may have follow the some set of standards. So if you have Indian standard workspace, you can follow it very easily. Okay, I will show how to set that design standards toolbar. Okay, go to geometry, then click standards. Then here can you see design standard toolbar. Then you can select the code whatever you want. I'll just drag it to better display. You can see there are UK standards you can follow, and then AASHTO is there, and then hill roads manual. If it is a hill road, you can check it. Okay, and then if it is a plain rolling terrain and 4 lane, you can follow this IRC 84. Okay, I am just clicking this and then select the type of side distance you are going to follow. Okay, so then after this click these two both. Okay, then now go to geometry, complex by PA method or whatever. Okay, complex by PA is best one. Okay, if you have some green fill alignment like that. Okay, normally I prefer this line between points and then arc between elements method. Okay, that is nothing but element method in MX, or else you will read also same features. Okay, go to complex by PA. Can you see automatically it came? If I'll mention 500, automatically this value will get changed. Can you see? Because we have selected the design standard. Okay, so if I'll type 600, automatically this came 80. So because we have selected plain and rolling terrain 100 kmph and SST. Okay, so that's it. Then select the feature definition to geometric baseline. Okay, now I will design. Okay, just I'm just drawing a alignment, simple alignment to show the design standard use. Okay, they basically it gives a means it shows any error also. If you are not following the standards as per the code, it will show the error symbol. I will show how. Okay, see here 600 is the radius and the transition is 80. If I'll make it 70, can you see this symbol came, warning symbol, and it will show the error also. Transition length is less than minimum should be 80, but we have provided 70. So it will identify wherever you are deviating from the manual. Okay, if I'll make it 80, so automatically it will get error will get removed. Okay, so if I'll change the radius, automatically transition length also will get changed. Can you see 135? Here also if I'll make 500, automatically it will make 95. Okay, see this is the best use. Okay, while doing any geometry you can use this same thing in vertical also. Okay, I'll make 800. See, transition length has been reduced 65 meter. Okay, so go to standards toolbar, select design standard toolbar, then select the code whatever you are designing. If you are designing 2 lane, select this. If you are designing 4 lane road, you can select that. Accordingly you can select expressways also there. Okay, you can select it and then design the using complex API. If you have done, we can check. Now we have checked for the complex API. We can check for the element method also. So let me make a simple alignment like this, and then okay, then I'll make arc between element, simple arc, and then here spiral. Then I'll make it complex, and then I will add spirals. You can add spirals here also using this option, spiral arc spiral. Okay, go to table editor. Here I will provide 80. I'm just deviating 15 meter from the standard. Okay, let's check whether it follows or not. Okay, now see this, there is no error. Okay, I'm going to check uh, using this tool, set design standard toolbar. Okay, select the related code and then both should be clicked on. Then go to select set design standard. Then can you see error it is showed. So here it will show information also. Transition length is normally 95 minimum, but we have provided 80. So if I'll make changes, automatically that error will go out. But here it is there because here it is 80. Okay, that's it. It is very simple. Go to standard, set design standard, and using any method, element method or else complex web API. Okay, both are simple. Okay, you can use this tool for the vertical alignment also. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Okay.